we've got a shaved kale and root vegetable salad. It's fresh and crunchy with quinoa and a red wine vinaigrette. You got the garlic going. We're gonna make a dressing here in a second. Let's talk about quinoa. Are you a quinoa fan?
I love quinoa. Because of what we do, like in my leisure, I want to eat really well, really healthy, so quinoa is that.
He wants to eat really well and really healthy, so when he comes to visit me in California and we make pizzas till 2 in the morning.
Right? Hey, short ribs!
Okay, now here's the thing with the quinoa. There's a big question that goes on. Rinse it or don't rinse it. Now, when I grow it out in the garden, I rinse it. A lot of times when I buy it, I won't rinse it. Some brands I want to rinse, some I don't.
Right.
So are you a rinse guy or non-rinse guy?
You know what? It depends on if I'm making it for my son, we like to rinse, but if it's just like adults at the house, we don't rinse.
Okay, I'm not rinsing them.
Yeah.
Okay, so we're gonna go about a cup of quinoa. Salt's right there. All right, let me get a little stock down. I've toasted up the quinoa. Now we'll go down with about 3 cups of veg stock. Let this come to a simmer. There we go. Okay.
Now, you know what? Question for you.
Hang on, wait 1 second. Let me just make sure I'm caught up where I'm at. Veg stock, salt, that's good. Let me give this a little stir. Bring it to a simmer. 15 minutes, turn it off. I'll be in good shape. G, how we looking?
Doing good. I'm gonna mince up this shallot real quick.
So a little garlic, about a tablespoon of garlic, tablespoon of shallots, a tablespoon of chives, red wine vinegar, olive oil, salt, and pepper. There's your vinaigrette,
Got
okay?
it.
So I'm working some carrots right now, and I got a little kale to go together, and this is all for the red quinoa salad, and also another favorite of G's and mine. And this quinoa, you know, I'll tell you something. Talk about versatile.
So much you could do with that quinoa.
Okay, so let's talk about holiday times at the G-Man's house.
Everybody cooks, so it's lots of meats, you know, whether it's ham, turkey,
That's in the
chicken,
holidays?
short ribs, yeah, and lots of vegetables.
#1 favorite item for the holidays, though. I mean, the one thing that you say, I know it's the holidays because I'm having
Mac and cheese.
mac and cheese.
Mac and cheese, absolutely, yeah.
Really?
Yeah, man, mac and cheese. Like, 'cause now you can do so much with mac and cheese. Back in the day, it was just cheesy mac and cheese. Now you can do mac and cheese with bacon, you can do mac and cheese with truffles. Your mac and cheese has, I mean, everything except the kitchen sink in it.
Well,
I mean, I remember because I made like 5,000 of them.
There's only
the burner.
6 cheeses in my mac and cheese. Okay.
Man, I got the kale salad, got some carrots in there, got some radishes. I'm gonna put the quinoa, and I got the vinaigrette, which is red wine, and I'm ready to knock it out.
Looking dynamite.
Oh, yeah.
Okay. All right, so here goes the, we got the kale in there. This is the real key to it, is the red quinoa. Let me give you a little sprinkle of that, G, kind of work it in.
Awesome.
There you go. Feeling good about that. Okay? And now, G, as soon as you're done with that, that looks fantastic. There we go. That's what I'm talking about.
Oh, man.